Did you know your tap water is sabotaging your hair color? Even filtered water contains copper that builds up inside the hair fiber. This may cause breakage and dullness. I'm Joel from L'Oreal Pro Education, and this is the 4-step routine that changes everything for your hair. Step 1 is the pre-shampoo treatment. Apply this to wet hair before you shampoo. Why? Because hair is most vulnerable when soaked. Our patented Glicofiller protects the micro cracks to neutralize metals before they cause damage. To apply, work through the hair. Do not rinse, go straight to your shampoo. Step 2, the Metal Detox Shampoo. This is a professional grade cleansing cream that is sulfate-free, super concentrated, and smells like a luxury spa, removing the metal particles from inside while leaving your hair incredibly soft. Step 3 is the mask. Think of this as a magnet that traps any remaining metal and creates a shield to stop new deposits. This is the secret to strength. It reduces the risk of breakage by up to 87%. You'll see way less hair in your brush. Finally, your daily protection is step 4. Use the High Protection Cream for 72-hour moisture and frizz control, or the concentrated oil for weightless shine. Both provide 230 degrees Celsius heat protection, making them the perfect use before styling. My pro tip is to layer them. Cream on damp hair for moisture, oil, dry ends for shine. If you want to keep your color looking expensive and your hair in great condition, you've got to get the metal out. Trust me, your hair will thank you.